Okay, I'm gonna make some ballistic gel. Some folks ask me how do I do that. So the FBI makes this ballistic gel using the gel in a specific form that is 16 inches long, 6 inches wide and tall. In this case, we have a 6.5, 6.5 inches wide, 4 inches tall, because if we go above this first, it makes a funny form and it kind of is tough to use. But also, if you see where the handles are here, it allows water to come out of it. It won't work. Yeah, I've done a couple times. I've put some glue on there. I can't use the handles in. You know, I've taken the handles out and put some sealant in there and stopped it. But then it, like I said, it has that funny shape. I don't know. I just don't have to shoot that high, that's all. But I'm sure you can find some other form. If you guys do, put it in the comments below and I'll gladly check her out. Now with that, each one of these that I have, I only have 2 that I use. I marked like this. This is a new one actually, so I haven't used this one yet, so it'll be 3. Marked like this, so that way I knew what everything was. I came to how many gallons of water gets in here. So it's 1.43, and then I came up to how many ounces of gel mix I need for that. It's very important to get the right consistency here for gel mix to water. Okay, so this is 1 pound, 16 ounces. Okay, so you take the 16 from 23, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and I find 7. All right, so what I need to do is, this is one that I had opened. I need to find 7 ounces. So I'm going to turn on my trusty. I also zeroed it with this already on it. It doesn't weigh a whole lot, but 1/18 of a pound, or 1/8 of a pound. This way, I can open this, and I want 7 ounces. 5, 7. All right. So the reason that's important is for that consistency. Now next, I'm going to turn the hot water on, let it heat up for a while. Oh, what we really want it to be is at 107 degrees. The other thing you'll need is this. Now, you'll see when it's, you got to pour that in really slow and you whisk it. You're going to make a lot of bubbles. Just heat it up after we shoot it. Now, I've always found that the best way to do this is in the sink, so that way if I splash any, I'm not getting it out here. See, there's some right there. It leaves like a, I don't know, pretty nasty sticky stuff behind it. So I fill to that fill line right there. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. A little bit lower than the fill line because I'm going to put the gelatin in. That's going to add. Okay. So I'm going to start whisking, even though I know I'm not doing anything yet. You don't want to have any of that clumping, especially in the beginning. Or really, you don't want any at all. But so this is Knox brand unflavored gelatin. It's a pretty clear gelatin. Again, you want to put it in really slow, mix it really good. Some people try to use 2 people to do this. That's not a bad idea. That way one person's pouring while one person's stirring. Then they can switch up, and this stirring kind of gets pretty tough because, like I said, the water slowly becomes gelatin. Just give it a second. We'll pour this in here. Boy, you bet you thought I was almost done. Alright. Pick this up. Put it over here. And we will scrape this stuff off the top. Alright guys, thank you very much. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all done. One of the things I didn't say earlier, you can kind of see this over here, how easy it comes off. That's because I put oven cleaner on the side. I sprayed it with oven cleaner. Boy, I forgot that. Alright, that way it can come out easily. Just flip it over and it'll come right out. And this is how I carry it. I throw it in an ice chest to the range, and we're good to go. Alright, thanks everybody.